divide 14x squared plus 5x minus 3 by 7x minus 1. So here you'll have to divide one polynomial by another polynomial. So before starting with our divisions, first you'll have to check whether the given polynomial are in standard form or not, and that can be easily make out. The power should be in decreasing order. So here we have the power 2, 1, 0. Similarly, on the divisor also, the power here 1, 0. So right now our sub question number 1, it's already in standard form. So now we take here a long divisions method here. So I've already taken here. So the first step, what you'll have to do, take here the dividend value, which is 14x squared divided by here the 7x, which is equal to, so 7 table, do we get 14 or not? So you can see here, so 7 into how many times, which is equal to 2 times, and that of the variable, the power you'll have to subtract here, which is 2 minus 1 will be 1. That means if you cancel this one, we get here the quotient 2x. That means here 7 into how many times equals to 14. That is 7 into 2. And here we have variable 1. Here variable, that is the power here we have 2. Here the power is 1. So what we do here, how many x more we need to get here? X squared. That is x. That means we can see here we got the same result here. And then after getting this one, what you'll have to do, you'll have to multiply these two terms first. So if you multiply these two, you'll be getting here 14x squared. After that here, what we do, again you'll have to multiply the sign here, plus minus, or minus into plus, which is minus. Next, again you'll have to multiply these two. 1 into 2x will be 2x. After that here, what we can do, you'll have to subtract these two values. Now at that time, minus the sign, all the given sign you'll have to change here. Minus will change to plus sign. Likewise here, plus will change to minus sign. That is how here plus 14x squared minus 14x squared we can remove. So these two you can cut. After that here, these are the two sign we can see here. Same sign, which means addition. You'll have to add the number we get here 7. Variable we need to drop the same here. Now again we drop here minus, we have here 3. Now here 5 is bigger, it has a plus sign, and that sign we can keep here. After that now we can divide. So 7 into how many times is 7x? So yes, or we can also take here a longer, that is 7x. Our dividend is divided by here this term, which is 7x. So 7x. So 7x into how many? 1. That means here we get a quotient plus 1. Now you can multiply these two. Once you get a quotient plus, here we drop the same term. So 7x. Now you'll have to multiply these two sign. Minus into plus will be minus. Then 1 into 1, which is 1. After that here, what you'll have to do? Yes, you'll have to change the sign here. Minus change to plus sign. Again here, plus will become now minus. So positive 7x, negative 7x. We can cancel. Now here, minus plus will be minus. You'll have to subtract these two value. We get here 2, but sign we take from the bigger number, which is minus 2. So now not possible to divide after this step. Now therefore, the quotient, which is we can see here, 2x plus 1, and that of the remainder, which is we have here negative 2. The next one here, we can see 12y cubed minus 20y squared minus 9y plus 15 is divided by 3y minus 5. So right now here, to divide these two, first you'll have to check whether they are in standard form or not. Right now we can see the power are in decreasing order, which means they are already in standard form. So straight away we take here a long divisions method. Now we can see here 3 table, do we get 12? Yes. 3 into how many? 4. Now the variables y. Here we have 1, here we have 3. So how many y do I need to make here y to the power 3? So here 1, here 3. How many more we need? Yes, that is y square. To get here, that is 12y to the power 3. That means 3 4s are 12. Y into y square will become y cube. Now that means this term is already taken. Now we can see here minus and plus will be minus. Again, you'll have to multiply these two. 5 into 4, 20y square. So we can label here 20y square. After that, what you'll have to do? Yes, you'll have to change the sign here. Minus will change to plus sign. Similarly, plus will become here minus sign. That is how here negative and positive, these two we can cancel. Likewise here, negative 20 and positive 20 we can cancel. Now you'll have to drop here negative, we have here 9y. After that, plus again here we drop, that is 15. Now minus sign, this sign we can keep here. Now again we can check here with this 3, how many times we get here? 9. So 3 into how many times equals to 9? Yes, that is 3 into 3 times, which is equals to here minus 9. So here y to the power 1, here also y to the power 1, which means we don't need the variable y here. So but here you'll have to drop the same term. Now the next one, again minus are plus. After that, 5 into 3 will be 15. Then what we do here, this sign you'll have to change now. This will become here minus sign. Again minus will change to plus sign. Now negative y, positive 9y we can cancel. Similarly, positive 15, negative 15 you can cancel. That is how here the remainder, which is 0. So therefore the question we have got here 4y square minus we have here 3, and that of the remainder, which is 0. Sub question number 6. The given polynomial are all in standard form, so straight away you can take here a division format. Now these two we can see here. Here we have x cube, here only x. How many x do we need to make here x cube? So here only one x. Here how many x we need more? That is 2 to make here x to the power 3. Now after that, these two you'll have to multiply. Minus plus will be minus 1 into x square, which is 1x square. Now minus will become here plus sign. Plus will change to minus sign. That is how here plus minus we can cancel. Now we can see here the same sign, which means you'll have to add the number that we get here at x square, but sign will be plus sign. Now we can drop the plus 7x followed by minus 15. Now before taking our division, sign we keep at the question plus, the same sign plus. Now here we have x, here at x square. Suppose if I take here a rough work, at x square you'll have to divide by, that is the variable x. So which is equal to 1 into 8 times, then x will be only 1. That means 2 minus 1 will be 1. That means here we are getting here 8x. So x into 8x we get here 8x square. Now minus plus will be minus 1 into 8x will be 8x. Now you'll have to change the sign. This will change to positive. Positive will become here negative. That is how here plus 8x square minus 8x square we can remove. Again we can see here the same sign, which means you'll have to add these two value. That is how we get here 15x, and sign we take from the bigger number. 8 is greater here and 8 has now plus sign, and this sign we already invalid, this will be rejected. That is how here sign will be plus sign. Now you can drop 15. Now next step, plus sign we keep the sign here plus. Now again these two we take here rough. We have here 15x divided by what we have here, yes, that is x cut. Then we left with 15. That means here at the question place we need 15. So x into 15 we get here plus 15x. Again here minus plus will be minus 1 into 15 will be 15. Now minus will change to plus sign, which means this sign will be invalid. Again, plus will change to minus sign. So plus 15x minus 15x we can eliminate. Likewise, minus 15 plus 15 we can cancel, and the remainder here 0. So therefore, the question here we have question is, which is we have here x square plus 8x plus 15 and that of the remainder, which is 0. Now the next one here we have 1, 2, 3 terms, which means you'll have to fill here 3 values. Now first we check here the dividend place here 2x cubed. So we take for the rough work here 2x cubed is divided by here the first term, which is x square. So what will be the result here? So 1 into 2 times the variable, you'll have to subtract their values or the power here 3 minus 2, which means after cancellation we get only 2x. So here the quotient place we get here 2x. Now with this 2x you'll have to multiply here 3 times. The first one here 2x into x square, we get here 2x to the power 3. Now again plus plus, so it will be plus sign. Again here 2x into 2x, so 2 2s are 4, x into x will become x square. Again plus plus, so it will be plus sign. 1 into 2x, which is equals to 2x. Now you'll have to change all the 3 signs here. Plus will become now minus. Now plus will be invalid. Again this plus will be invalid and our new sign will be minus. Again this plus we change to minus. Then here positive, negative value we can cancel. Plus and minus, different sign, which means you'll have to subtract the value here. So 1 4 minus 1, which is equals 3x. The variable you'll have to drop the same here, and 4 is bigger, it has a negative sign, so we keep the sign here. Again here we can see same sign, which means you'll have to add the number. We get here 6x, and the sign we take from the bigger value, which is minus. Again you'll have to drop negative 3. Now minus sign, we keep the sign here. Now again take this for the rough work here. We have 3x square divided by what we have here, x square. So x square cut. With the quotient place we need now only 3 to get here. If you multiply now with these two, we get here minus 3x square plus minus will be minus 2x into 3, which is equals to 6x. Again here plus minus will be minus 1 into 3, which is equals to 3. Now we can change this sign, so this will become here plus sign. Again this will become here plus sign. Again this will become here plus sign. Now you'll have to subtract negative 3x square, positive 3x square we can cancel. Again minus 6x plus 6x you can cancel. Minus 3 and plus 3 we can cancel. That is how the value of remainder equals to 0, and that of the quotient 2x minus 3. Now the first part here I have here m cube and here m to the power 5. So how many m do we need to make it equal to m to the power 5? Here 3. So to get here 5 we need 2 more, so m square. If you multiply these two, we get here the same term, that is m to the power 5. Now we can multiply the sign. Plus plus will be plus. 1 into m square will be m square. It is a m raised to 4 plus. This is m cube plus, but m square plus is here. So we take the sign here. Plus plus will be plus. 1 into m square will be 1 m square. Now you'll have to change the sign. This will become now minus. So that is how here plus m square minus m square we can cancel. Again change this sign. This will become now negative. So negative m raised to 5, positive m raised to 5 we can cancel. Now you can drop this m raised to 4. Again here plus m to the power 3. Again here plus we have here m plus we have here 1. Now here we have plus sign, we keep the plus sign. Now you can compare these two. Here m raised to 3, here m raised to 4. How many m we need so that we can make it same here? So we need now only one m to make here m to the power 4. Now plus, so it will be plus 1 into m will be 1m. So m plus will be here, so sign we got plus, so here 1 into m will be 1m. Now you can change the sign here, minus, so these two we can cancel. Again plus will become here minus, m plus m also possibly cancel. Now we can drop here m to the power 3. Again you can drop here plus 1, plus sign, keep the sign here plus. Now these two are same value, so that means here m to the power 3 divided by m to the power 3. That means here dividend m cube, divisor place also m cube. So m cube into 1 times. That means quotient place we get here 1. Now again multiply the same rule you can follow here. M cube into 1 we get here m to the power 3. Plus will be now plus 1 into 1 will be 1. Now you can change the sign. This will be minus, so we can cancel minus 1 plus 1. Again you can change the sign, minus m cube plus m cube. That is how the remainder here also 0. So here therefore question which is I've got here above there m square plus m plus 1 and out of the remainder which is equals to 0. Now here again we can compare these two. Here x square, here x to the power 3. Now how many x do I need to make here x cube? So here we have got already 2, so which means we need only 1. So if you multiply these two, you'll be getting here x to the power 3. Now again minus plus will be minus 5x into x, we get here 5x into x will become x square. Now the third one here plus will be plus, again 6 into x, we get here 6x. Now you'll have to change the sign here. Plus will become now minus sign. Again this will change to plus sign. Again this will become here minus sign. Now plus x cube minus x cube will be 0. So here we can see one is negative, the other one is positive. The middle sign is rejected. Minus plus will be minus. 6 minus 5 will be 1x square. So that can be just taken here only x square, but sign we take from the bigger value, it has a minus sign. Again here plus into minus, which is minus. Now you'll have to subtract these two value. We get here 11 minus 6, that is only 5x, but sign we take from the bigger value, so it has a plus sign. Again we drop here minus 6. Now before division we keep this sign at the quotient place, so minus. Now here these two these two are right now same. Say here x square is divided by the x square, so x square into how many? 1 times. That means your quotient place 1. Then we get here, now you can multiply x square into minus 1 will be minus 1x square. Minus are plus 5x into 1 will be 5x, plus minus will be minus 6 into 1 will be 6. Now we can change the sign here. Plus sign, plus will change to minus sign. Again minus will become here plus sign. Then here negative x square, positive x square. Again here positive 5x, negative 5x, negative 6, positive 6. That means here the remainder is again 0.